How to boost metabolism for weight loss. There are several ways you can boost your metabolism and support weight loss. Here are a few tips. Eat enough protein. Protein has a high thermogenic effect, which means that your body burns a lot of calories digesting it. Aim for at least 0.8 grams of protein per pound of body weight per day. Drink green tea. Green tea is rich in catechins, which have been shown to boost metabolism. Get enough sleep. Lack of sleep can interfere with weight loss by affecting appetite-regulating hormones. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of sleep per night. Stay hydrated. Drinking enough water can help boost metabolism, as your body needs to work harder to heat the cold water to body temperature. Do resistance training. Building muscle through resistance training can increase metabolism, as muscle burns more calories at rest than fat. Eat spicy foods. Some studies have shown that spicy foods can boost metabolism, although the effect may be relatively small. Incorporate high-intensity interval training, HIIT, into your workouts. HIIT is a type of exercise that involves short bursts of intense activity followed by recovery periods. It has been shown to be effective at boosting metabolism. Remember to also focus on a healthy, balanced diet and regular physical activity to support weight loss. You should always consult with your physician or other healthcare professional before taking any medication or nutritional, herbal or homeopathic supplement, beginning any diet, nutrition or fitness plan or adopting any treatment for a health problem, whether offered on the site or otherwise. Legal disclaimer. Statements regarding dietary supplements have not been evaluated by the FDA and are not intended to diagnose, treat, cure, or prevent any disease or health condition. Disclaimer. This article is about weight loss and it contains links that lead back to an affiliate sales page. I am an